いつまでおるんですか？いつ取る
3ヶ月から3 months.
So anywhere from 3 to 6 months, he will keep this wire on.
あとワイヤーに大きくなるけど、それが起きたら1ヶ月、2ヶ月でも取る場合がある。
Okay, so how he determines when he's going to take out the wires, if you keep it on too long, the branches grow bigger, and what will happen is you'll get these wire marks, right? So he always monitors when it gets to the point where it looks like the branch is going to start, or the wire is going to scar the branch, he'll go ahead and unwire it. So it could be 2 months, it could be a month, it could be 4 months, it all really depends. But when he does monitor it closely.
これが枝が太くならなかったら、例えばパイン、なかなか太らない。パインのだからある時は1年ぐらいかける場合。
Okay. So, for example, he has a pine that he works on. He says a pine, the branches, they don't thicken out very quickly. It's very slow. So with those, he'll keep the wires on for a year. And it won't show, any of the wire scars or anything like that. By the way, I'm loving all the questions. Like I said, this man has over 50 years experience doing this. So ask away, guys. This is time to pick his brain. I'm not sure how much longer he's going to be doing this. So, we just enjoy it while he's doing this and learn as much as we can. Bonsai どうして始まったんですか？
これはちょっと難しいな。これオリジンが中国チャイナ。
おじいがなんで？
私が。
はい。
Mi grandpa.
His grandpa.
Grandpa
loved plants, had his own garden, and so he grew up watching his grandparents always working on plants. So that gave him the familiarity to be around plants and be comfortable around it.
引きと味がヘルプをしてキャッチ。
So at a very young age, his grandparents would already have him help out. Hey, can you hold this down while I cut this? Can you cut this, water it? So he's been doing this since he was little. As far as the bonsai, if I remember the story correctly, he probably started in his teens, late teens, I should say, closer to his adulthood. He said he went over to, was it Tokyo? Tokyo, the bonsai meetup. So he took a trip to Tokyo, and he saw a bunch of bonsais, and very nice, very big, studio-like, and that was the first time he's ever seen anything like that, and that's when he fell in love with it. And so he went back to Okinawa, and he started doing it as a hobby. But by this time, he was already fully submerged into the karate world. So yeah, he's been doing this, I would say, 何歳からボンザイ始まったんですか? He can't even remember. He can't remember. He was around 22 years old when he started. And how old are you right now? 今は何歳ですか?
18.
18. You went backwards. Okay. No, right now he's 73? 73 right now. So he started when he was 22 years old, roughly.
This was my favorite. Barbados cherries.